It's very hard to defeat Kenyatta family because they have been existing here. They have been there. They have given sacrifices. They have even given sacrifice to this nation. They give a lot of money when you are doing campaigns. They support people. They finance people. They finance activities. They finance even warfares. They even say finance for people to be killed. They have done a lot of sacrifices. Remember, they are the one who are in charge of the Freemasons. Just the other day, they built a Catholic church in Gatodo, a big Catholic church, a more superior Catholic church. And that is why we call now the seat of the devil. It was done by the family. No contribution from anybody. No contribution. They removed it from Nyerere. They took it there under the Catholic umbrellaship. You can best put a name there, Catholic, but there is no Catholic inside. You can put a name synagogue there, but there is no synagogue inside. They raised the seat of Lucifer. It is there. That is now they want to come and control this nation once more. Why? Because they have given the sacrifice.